in the compact bone, we will draw a Haversian system or osteons. Each osteon has a central cavity which is known as Haversian canal. So this is a Haversian canal, and it is surrounded by these concentrically arranged lamellae which are known as Haversian lamellae. This is actually the bony matrix which is laid down in the form of concentric layers. So this is the Haversian lamellae. These are Haversian lamellae. So you will draw them concentrically around the Haversian canals. In between these lamellae, there are lacunae which contain osteocytes. So this is the lacunae, and inside it, this will be the osteocyte. So I will draw these lacunae, and I will draw these osteocytes blue in color here. So these pink are the lacunae. So these lacunae are containing osteocytes. They are also concentrically arranged in between these lamellae. So you can draw them here, and from these lacunae you will draw these vertical tubular channels which are known as canalicula. So you will draw these canalicula here and communicate these canalicula with each other here. You can draw here also. You can just draw another lacunae containing osteocytes and draw their canalicula and communicate them with each other like this. So this is one osteon, and on this side at least there should be 5 Haversian lamellae around the Haversian canal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 I have drawn. Similarly, you can draw another osteon here. Just give the boundary of this osteon, and here you can draw central Haversian canal. You will draw Haversian lamellae, and you can fill up this with the lacunae containing osteocytes. Now this is surrounded by a limiting zone or refractile material which is known as cement line. So you can label it as Haversian canal, Haversian lamellae, and lacunae containing osteocytes and cement line. So this is same for all the osteons. I will just draw this here, and in the center you will draw this. Now where these two Haversian canals, they communicate with each other, so sometimes it's extended like this. This cavity is extended like this also at places. You can draw it like this also. Now between these Haversian systems or osteons, there are lamellae which are irregular. It is starting from here, finishing here. It's not concentrically arranged. It's irregular, and it's short in length, and in between these lamellae, you just draw thick lines here. You will draw lacunae containing osteocytes between them also. So you can fill up these lacunae containing. You will draw these and lacunae, and you will draw these osteocytes here. So these are the canaliculi outside this. So these irregular lamellae, they are known as interstitial lamellae. That's how you are going to complete whole of this. You will not draw them concentric. You will just draw them irregular. You will start it here, finish it here, and they are irregular. So these are all interstitial lamellae in between the osteons.